The Metal Puzzles 3 D-Brain Teaser toy from the Comerta store is a distinctive puzzle designed to engage users across a wide age range, from children to adults. This puzzle consists of 4 metal pieces that fit together to form a triangular cube with gently rounded edges. Made from zinc metal, which is heavier and harder than aluminum, it measures approximately 2.2 inches on each side and weighs about 9.6 ounces. The puzzle's metal construction gives it a smooth and precise feel, contributing to a quality tactile experience. It is designed to be a challenging brain teaser, providing mental and physical stimulation as users attempt to assemble and disassemble the pieces. The puzzle also features a hidden internal cavity, which some users find to be a clever place to hide small surprises, making it an interesting gift option for occasions like Christmas. Users appreciate the puzzle for its craftsmanship and the smoothness of the metal pieces. Many find the initial challenge engaging and addictive once they understand how the pieces interlock. It has been reported to aid focus during activities such as homework or classwork, serving as a fidget toy that keeps the mind occupied. The puzzle's design is visually appealing, with a bright and shiny surface that looks attractive when displayed on a table, making it a conversation piece for guests. The sturdiness of the assembled cube is also noted, as the pieces fit together firmly yet allow for movement. However, the puzzle is not without its criticisms. Some users find it fairly easy to solve, which may lessen its appeal for those seeking a more difficult challenge. Others mention that the puzzle can be frustrating to put back together, with pieces slipping past each other and a lack of magnetic assistance making reassembly tricky. The hollow nature of the pieces, contrary to some expectations from product images, has disappointed a few buyers. This has led to some returns and recommendations against the purchase. The price point is considered by some to be on the higher side given these factors. There are also humorous and critical reviews that describe the puzzle as overly perplexing to the point of causing frustration rather than stress relief. Such opinions suggest that the puzzle might not be suitable for everyone, especially those looking for a relaxing pastime. Nonetheless, for puzzle enthusiasts and those who enjoy hands-on brain teasers, this metal puzzle offers a unique and satisfying experience. Overall, the Metal Puzzles 3D Brain Teaser toy stands out as a well-made, visually pleasing, and mentally stimulating gadget. It is ideal for beginners and those who enjoy a moderate challenge. While it may not meet the expectations of users seeking a very difficult or highly durable puzzle, it remains a fun and interesting item for fidgeting, focus enhancement, and display. Potential buyers should consider their puzzle skill level and patience for tricky assembly when choosing this product. For those interested, the product link is provided in the description to support the channel and help others make informed decisions. If you own this puzzle, sharing your experience in the comments would greatly assist future buyers.